Hey, what is up, guys? It is me, DuckDogMT, and I'm sorry it's been a while since I have been recording a video, but today I got a new one for you. Today you can probably hear that it's pretty loud. I'm not really sure if you can hear it, but it's hailing and raining, and this is what's happening. Yeah. That's a lot of hail. Now, I'm not going to zoom in too much because I might get a license, look at a license plate or something, and I don't want to do that. Or show my address. But this is crazy. There's ice everywhere, and it's April. It's almost May, and I cannot believe it is hailing that much. All of that white stuff is ice. That's crazy. It's still hailing. And up here, there's even more. Look on the deck. Look on this deck. Hail everywhere, and it's even hitting the glass. Why and how? Oh my God! If the door breaks, the hail's gonna get inside the house. There is so much on the street. Can you look at that? Look at that. I don't want to show any addresses, but look at that. That is all ice. My goodness! Okay, this is really crazy. Still, look at all of this. That's all ice. There's even a river. I don't know if you can see that. You see that? Flowing down into the sewer. So me and my dad are just chilling in here, trying to annoy the hail and rain, but we can't because it's so annoying. And down here in the backyard, you can literally see it dropping down. I don't know if you can see that. Look at this. My goodness. Oh, and also, guys, I'm going to be giving a shout out. I don't know why I'm doing this. But I'm going to give a shout out to, I didn't really say anything about doing a shout out, but I just going to do something random. You can get a shout out in this video or in the next video. So the shout out I'm going to give out is my boy Tapernap08. You might have seen him in two of my videos. One of the videos was a stranger or guest is recording. I forgot the name. And the Fortnite video over we were playing on the computer, I think, or the Xbox. I don't know. But if you want a shout out, just subscribe, hit the like button, and comment down below. If you did that all, and just comment down below if you liked and subscribed to the video and to the channel, and you'll get a shout out. Okay. Well, that stopped healing. So thank you guys so much for watching this. Wait, did it stop?
Yeah.
Yay, it stopped. Of course it's at the end of the video. Well, see you guys later. Hopefully I don't take too long to record. Goodbye.